Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you an AMG Sports exterior and interior look. 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, set of all-season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, dark ash gray wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, Navi, rear view backup camera sensors, gloss black center console, dual climate control, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 36,028 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.